Ira Epstein of Linn Associates with your morning flash update for this Friday, and this is the 4th of December 2020, about 9:35 a.m. Central Time. Interesting morning. We had the all-important jobs report, and unemployment came in unchanged at 6.7%. I'll show you all these numbers in a moment. The market did not get the even close to the numbers that was the consensus. We only added 200,000 plus jobs to the marketplace. That on itself, to me, is not a good number. Yet the market is looking at any number right now is still bullish, and you can see the rally there. In the OPEC deal that was made yesterday, the market is taking a look at that, and they're just saying to itself, okay, even though they're going to increase 500,000 barrels in January, we don't know what they'll be doing come February, March. They're going to take it as the COVID vaccine goes. There's not illogic behind it. So the market looked at the increase in production as favorable, and you're getting a bounce there. In natural gas, you probably just got too darn cheap. I mean, it's unbelievable how cheap it has gotten. Bitcoin getting a bit of a correction here, backing off from the 20,000 level. Grain market still a bit lower, and the question is, have we seen a near-term top in the grains? I question if that isn't the case. Dollar index, market tried a further decline. It's down moderately. Most currencies, as you can see, are up against it. Remember, in the British pound, they're trying to get a Brexit deal done. Everybody always gives a deadline, and they go, oh, if it's not this week, it's not going to happen. First off, you could go to the end of the year without a deal and still negotiate. There's nobody that says you can't negotiate after the first of the year. But I happen to think that how it all works is they'll get a deal done this month. That's my guess, right at the last hour. Could be this weekend, could be next week, doesn't matter. As for the COVID package between Congress, you're going to hear a lot of talk about it, but until it's done, it isn't done. So let's take a look at the non-farm payroll. Came in only up 245,000 jobs, half of what was expected at 440,000. The employment rate unchanged. They took November and they lowered the amount of jobs that were created down a minor amount, but it didn't change the unemployment rate. Private sector payroll up 340,000. The government lost jobs. You can see 99,000 there. The participation rate down just a fraction. And when you look at the average hourly earnings, they were up 9 cents, and that's okay. Trade balance, a little better than was thought. The market expected a 64.8 billion negative balance, and they didn't get anything close to that. Factory orders came in down 1%. They expected it up 0.8. I'm sorry, factory orders up 1%. They expected up 0.8. That didn't sound right to me. And they looked at ex-defense up 0.5% and ex-transportation up 1%. And as I said, all the talk's still going to be on COVID. Congress likes to do one thing, spend money. You know that, I know that. Will they get it done on a limited package? I'm guessing they will before they all go home and have to take heck from God knows who. And we'll see if the president will accept that. Then you got the defense spending, and the things the president wanted in there are not there. And this is a challenge to the president. I would not be surprised if his last days in office, assuming he doesn't win the recount situation, will be to veto that. They're going to have to make some serious changes. I don't recall a president vetoing a defense package. I'm sure it's there, but I don't recall one. And it has to do, he's not happy. They want to still change the name of different military bases. There's a lot that is in there that he won't stand for. And he has tied some of the social media packaging to that. But whatever he did, he did. We'll see. I'm guessing he'll veto it. I could be very wrong on that. Want to remind you, I'm doing a special right now. For anyone that purchases a 1-year subscription to any of my research packages, starting now, and you're going to get an email on this if you're on our mailing list, I am giving away my charting course, $199.95 value, for absolutely free. So if you've been wanting to take the charting course, and a lot of people wait for me to discount it, well, here it is. This is the discount, 0. All you need to do is buy any of my packages. I'll give you an idea. If you bought my Morning Future subscriber video, for the year, it's $156. You get the charting course, the $199.95 value for free. So could you give that as a gift to somebody? You could. Could you keep it yourself? You could. I cover all this in the morning at 5:40 with lots of trade recommendations. Believe me, there's a lot always. There's something going on in there. And I have a ball with it, and I think you will. Remember, that includes, by the way, when you buy this, you're going to be able to get to my webinars for free, and I'm going to be holding one next week from the looks of it now. My special reports, I just put out, as you know, right up now, and it's going to come off, I think, today, my eurocurrency report. So if you want to see what it looks like and what I'm thinking of the euro, the market has been gaining, and that's very much in line with what I've been talking about, but you ain't seen nothing yet, as they say. How do you get this? Go to our website, go under research, buy any one-year program, you've got it. You can call my staff, they will help you. Let's assume you're a current subscriber. Call us. We'll work with you, take you off the, let's assume you're monthly, move you to the yearly, and away you go. I'm Ira Epstein. This is not going to stay forever. This is a short cyber program I'm putting on for you. I'll tell you when it ends shortly. You have a great one. Have a great weekend. I'll see you this afternoon with our market wrap-up.